Hi. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing good and great. Lấy sẽ tăng hoạt động mới pass đi lấy pass điểm rồi sẽ ăn. Sẽ tăng hoạt động phát là cái. Itu mình bấm đi phát anh bấm sẽ để shit sang cái. À chứ itu là cái react sang luôn phải sa sẽ là hi rong mình nào cái sa này, awi là title hi village boy dem ye lấy recommend sa này so nào mà thằng là cái ngân phát lại thằng để cái in the description này khiêm chỉ thằng awi lyrics mi hay được lấy chứ itu mi uống đi là. Tata saga zirga la mirin itum krato mi mirin ni la tata relate saga bai chikta lyrics ng sa tali jen itum nganang rum khawai sa se yang rum se comment section in the mathaga mam thag le gi de share sa no la itum chira to react sang khawai sa se. So today I want to say hi to all the Rongmei brothers and sisters out there. Today the song which we are going to react together. Alright, we are going to react together. So the song which we are going to do is the singer is from your tribe, right? From your tribe, and his name is Ambrose FreeBird Kamei. The title of the song is Village Boy. In the content, it is given as original MV country song. So this song is released a few days back, and a friend recommended to me, telling me that this song is amazing. So I hope and I believe that it is going to be amazing, right? It is going to be amazing. So let's react together, let's watch and listen together. I will give the original link in the description as well, so check out the original video as well and subscribe to his channel, would be amazing, right? So let's show our support to him as well. So everyone, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ngân xíu. Okay. Ngân sẽ tâm trong mình sẽ itum là chỉ yếm phải sao sẽ. So let's go. So let's put on a headset for the better sound quality. And then let's start. Wow, Village Boy, Ambrose FreeBird Kamei. They call me the music film Ambrose FreeBird Kamei. Okay. Videography by Kamei. The intro. Go. Village Boy. Alright.
I'm just a simple man, born and raised in a little town. And I wouldn't even call it a town, it's just a little hamlet. My mama, she's a farmer, my papa just the same. And I am just a village boy with just a simple dream. You have your dreams and I have mine. You've made it there, but I'm still on my way. Oh, I believe someday I'm gonna be there. Oh, my little hamlet, just beside the highway, with the river and rice fields, the endless memories. Sometimes I'd be a hunter, sometimes a fisher boy, but I'm still just a village boy with just a...
I have to pause it. Sometimes I'm a hunter, sometimes I'm just a fisher boy, a fisherman, fisher boy. Oh, what did you say, fisher boy? I'm just a village boy. So we all experience or have experience with these kinds of words. So I love it, man.
Simple dream. You have your dreams and I have mine. You've made it there, but I'm still on my way. Oh, I believe someday I'm gonna be there. I grew up in a simple house made of thatch and bamboos. From the trees around you can hear songbirds every day. Mom and dad, they're getting old, still they have their hearts of gold, and I'm still
yang naga kanu the background ne akon shada leje the sounds which we hear in the background, you know, the sounds of reality, the sounds of opening the door right now is working, you know, that is amazing, which makes it more real, you know, amazing. Yeah, let's go.
just a village boy with just a simple dream. You have your dreams and I have mine. You've made it there, but I'm still on my way. Oh, I believe someday I'm gonna be there. Oh, I believe someday I'm gonna be there.
The song is beautiful. I love the lyrics, the tuning, everything. Thank you. Wow, amazing, yeah, amazing, yeah. Talent deliver some here. Talent deliver some here. The song is super, and the voice, wow. You've got a beautiful voice, brother. You've got a beautiful, amazing voice. Cái thằng lên mình thằng là vậy là gì là mà thằng này nào quỳ ya mình phải ở là sao giờ con nằm thằng là đi everyone how is his song. For me, I'm so thrilled, you know, to listen the song. That is beautiful. His voice is amazing as well, right? Beautiful as well. So, bro Ambrose, if you're watching this, I'm very happy and glad to, you know, they have come across your song, listen your song. This is amazing. The way you compose the lyrics, the way you tune, you know, the way you deliver the song. What a package! I'm getting heartfelt, you know, touching. I'm having a heart touching moment, you know. It's a great blessing. Thank you. And I hope that we will be seeing your, you know, more songs in the days to come. So I want to wish you the best in your upcoming project and success to you. Okay, so everyone, if you're watching this, you know, if you just hit the button subscribe, that would be heart touching. Okay, आज ये भिडियो ही हिँड्न खान्छ साउथ एट नेक्स्ट कतिवटा भिडियोस मात्रै नै नेक्स्ट दिन गरौँ. So everyone will end the video here. I don't know what kind of video I'll be making in the next. If you have any recommendations, please do put in the comment section. And everyone, don't forget to, you know, leave your feedback in the comment section about the song. All right. Okay. Thank you everyone so much for visiting, for coming. Bye bye for the day. All right. Bye bye. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.